Hello, this is Christy. In today's tutorial, we will look at After Effects and how to export a video with transparency. It's actually harder than you think to have a video with transparency. And what I mean by that is, if you have a video that you need to leave space to be seen through it, and if you want to superimpose that video on top of something else, then it might be harder than you think to actually get a transparent video. So we will look at how you can do this from After Effects. Not many programs can do this. Not many of them can export video with an alpha channel, because that's what transparency is in video. So if you see here on my composition, I have a composition with a simple animation of the subscription request. If I want to use this on top of other videos that I have to encourage my viewers to subscribe to my channel, then I would like to have this video as a reusable asset and then use this video on top of other videos I'm doing. So if I'm editing videos in Premiere or Camtasia or whatever, these programs support alpha video and alpha channels, but if I don't have a video like that, I can't do it. If you notice in this composition here, I have the video and it's got a black background, but this is like the default background that you have in After Effects. If you want to see that truly this scene has a transparent background, then you can press this icon here and it says toggle transparency grid. So as soon as I turn this on, I can see that actually my video is just this content down here. The rest of it is indeed transparent. If I export this using the normal export process, it's actually going to just export this with a black background like you've just seen it. So you won't be able to see through. Very easy to do. In order to export this composition as a video with transparency, you need to go to your bin here, select your composition, go to the composition menu and click add to render queue, or press Ctrl+M. So you will see this animation here. I've actually added it before, so I'm just going to delete it now. You see this composition here in the render queue, and you want to change one thing. So the first thing is, of course, you need to tell it where to save the file. In my case, I've just selected AVI format. And then the other thing to do is you change your render setting here. So you choose the format of the video you want. If you click on this, then you have best, resolution full, HD, all of these options. And then make sure that down here on the output module, you click lossless and you choose your format, AVI, or if you're on a Mac, maybe you want to do QuickTime. QuickTime also supports alpha channels. And very important, the thing that makes your video with alpha, in the video output section, do not leave RGB, but select RGB plus alpha. So this will actually include the color of the video, the RGB, and the transparency channel alpha. That's going to make your video transparent where you don't have any content. So click OK, and then you can render your queue. Okay, and now that the render is done, let's have a look at the resulting video. And of course, this player will just show black where you have transparency, so the video has exported okay, but there's black here, so I want to see if actually the transparency came through. I typically use Camtasia to edit my videos, but you can probably do this also in Premiere. So I have this video here that I've done a tutorial on 3D. I want to use my subscription animation on top of this video to have it come in from the bottom. Let's see if that works. So I'm going to drag in my video here in the bin and put it on the timeline. Let's see what happens. Here in my scene, shoot effect. So there you go. My video is indeed transparent on the top side, and my animation is running on the bottom there. This is why, one of the reasons you may need a video with alpha channel, so you can use it as lower thirds, for example, and other animations when you also have other video like titles, animated titles, and all of that. This was very easy. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy my tutorials. I know I haven't done After Effects tutorials on my channel yet, but maybe I will do others in the future. This was a very simple one to solve a problem that I had, and now you will see this animation on my videos going forward. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.